In this video we are talking about if Solana can continue the bullish move to the upside or if we see a retracement to even lower levels. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are seeing this crazy bullish momentum and Solana is moving to the upside since September and there's no retracement on the weekly chart. And in the last video we were at this prices right here. And I said that this range will decide if we are going to the downside or to the upside. And I said the chance is very high that we are going now to the upside again. And especially if we are breaking this high and this high. I will show you another clip from the last video. But right now, as we don't break this low to the downside, the chance is also high that we go directly to the upside. So right now I think the chance is high that we are going to the upside, and especially if we are breaking this last high, then I think we will see higher prices for Solana. As you can see, we perfectly exploded to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Solana. In this range we don't saw this break to the downside. And then we moved to the upside, came in into this supply zone, saw a reaction right here. But then we saw this bullish momentum and now exploding over this range. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Solana, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. But now the question is, can we continue the bullish momentum to the upside or do we see a retracement to lower levels again? So right now we are in this strong bullish structure to the upside. So I think the chance is high that we continue the bullish structure to the upside because trends are often holding longer than the most retailers are thinking. And here in this range, many people said that the crypto market is going down now. And of course, retracements are normal. But if we're having strong bullish momentum like this and also at Bitcoin, then the chance is very high that we see even higher prices. And when every retailer is bullish, then the chance is high that we see a retracement. So right now, I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices, especially because we broke this supply zone to the upside. And I think the next important resistance is this order block, because from this order block we then saw the strong bearish reaction to the downside. And here in this area there are no interesting resistance areas. So I think the chance is very high that we are going to the upside and that we are reaching this order block. And then the chance is also high that we see a reaction right here, because as I said, this order block caused a bearish move. So the chance is there that we see a reaction right here. But if we're breaking this order block to the upside, then the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And for the bearish scenario, we have to break this last range to the downside. And if we're breaking this range with a daily or weekly body close to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we shift bearish on the dailies and that we see even lower prices. But as long as we don't break this range to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we see higher prices for Solana. And I think the next interesting area to entry is this order block right here, because from this order block we saw this push over the last range. So I think the chance is high if we are coming back into this order block and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, that then the chance is high that we can continue the trend to the upside. So if we are coming back, I would search for long entries right here. But of course, there's also the chance that we directly go to even higher prices and that we see another explosion for Solana. But if anything interesting happens for Solana, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Solana. So all in all, we are seeing this crazy explosion for Solana. And after we were in this range right here, we saw higher prices. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Solana. And after we broke this last supply zone and high, I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And the chances there that we directly go to the order block right here. But if you're not in a trade right now, I think the chance is high that we can find some long positions in this order block. So I would wait if we are coming back into this order block, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would enter a long position right here and try to hodl it to the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.